Welcome to MouXina. Hi, this is Chef Mark Sanchez, and today we are going to make Utan-Bisaya or vegetable soup Bisaya style. But before we start, please hit the subscribe button. So our ingredients are alugbati, malunggay, young okra, kabocha squash, gabi, talong or eggplant, opo, sikwa, tanglad, tangad, or lemongrass. And we have here our flavorants, our meat, fried fish, salt, dinurog na ahos or garlic, pureed garlic, onion powder. Okay, so be sure to wash your vegetables before you cook it, okay? So since our sikwa is too long, we have to cut it into a manageable size or length for us to work on it. So like this one, we can cut it into half, like 3 inches long, then start peeling it, okay? So you have to split the lemongrass stalk open like this, so that when you cook the lemongrass, you can have more of the lemongrass flavor. Then bind it up like this one and tie it under. Okay, put a little oil for sauteing. We are using olive oil. So okay, saute your garlic and onion powder, add a little pepper. Let's add 8 cups of water. So here's a tip for you. Buy a measuring glass with measurements so that it would be easier for you to measure your ingredients. So now wait for your water to boil so that we can add our first ingredient. Let's cook the lemongrass out. Add our salt, 2 tablespoons. You can also put chicken bouillon or pork bouillon or shrimp, whatever flavor you want with your Utan-Bisaya. Okay, 3 minutes na. Let's add our fish. So the reason why I am adding my fish sa middle of my cooking because I want this fish to be whole, hindi siya durog, and para flavorful din yung sabaw. Okay, yan. Then we will add our Sikwa and Opo. Then just wait for mga 2 minutes, no? So cover muna. Wait for 2 minutes. Just to cook the ingredients. Let's see. Okay, so since the water is boiling na, I've decided to use Maggi Magic Sarap para may konting flavor. So use like half of this Magic Sarap. If you're using less water, if you're putting less water, you can just use a little bit of the Magic Sarap, okay? So mix it up, taste. Good. Okay, so now we will add our alugbati. And our malunggay. Okay, so last boil na lang and our food is ready to serve. Okay, cover it, then let's wait for it to boil. Not too much, not kasi we don't want the vegetable to be overcooked. So when it boils, turn off the fire. Okay, so ready na. Turn the heat off, then our Utan-Bisaya is ready to serve. Look at that. Wow. Okay, let's go. Okay, so this is it, folks. Utan-Bisaya is ready to serve. style. And yeah, enjoy your food. And please subscribe if you like the video. Share with your friends. This is a very refreshing food. So okay guys, so if you want this one to be fully vegan, take out the fish and skip the seasoning powder, and that's it. All vegetables and water, salt. That's it. Enjoy. So please subscribe. Click the subscribe button. Click the notification bell, and please share. Thank you. Goodbye.
Thank you.